So when we get people, the astrologers get people there, what are they worried about? Mainly they're worried about a career, marriage, and the third other important thing is health, right? So there is a lot of analysis we can do about health. But the question I wanted to ask is, if let's say there are when an astrologer sees that there are imminent health problems in a person's chart, means upcoming health problems, be it say something like kidney failure or some other maybe major joints problem, heart problem, cancer. So is there a prevention possible, or is it only that treatment can be looked at through horoscope analysis?
I think that's a very tricky question, but I would like to answer.
Okay.
See, any disease which is coming in your life is coming because of the past life karmas. First. So
Right.
there can be different kind of punishment, right? One punishment you can have into your financial life. One punishment you can have into your married or maybe relationship with your parents, brothers, wife, right? This is one kind of punishment. Third kind of punishment is into your work field. You are not recognized. People are not recognizing your talent. And one kind of punishment is through body.
Hmm.
So obviously we can actually see at the birth time only what kind of diseases a person can have.
Right.
Because that is the birth chart. Birth chart is never going to change, right? Only the dashas can change. So dasha can basically ask that disease to come out, right? But the potential is always there. Now in the ancient times, what they used to do is they used to cure any diseases through three things. One is donations, karmas, right? Second is mantras, and third is medication. So they were using, in India, they were using Ayurveda, right? And in Ayurveda colleges also, if you see, I mean, nowadays it doesn't happen, but in the older times, these three things is a composite approach toward curing any disease: medication, mantras or havans, and then donations.
Patients.
So if we analyze it and we take some precautionary measure, maybe some mantras can be suggested to the person, and then some Ayurveda medication, which is a type of medication which is of maintenance, right? Allopathy is more curing. Ayurveda is more maintenance based, right? Sustainability based.
Right.
So through those things, we can actually decrease the impact of that disease.
Right.
Now, there are some things which is, say suppose any sign, the lord of the house, the sign, and the karka. If all three things are into affliction, then this disease is not curable. You have to remove that organ. If all three things. So that is something which was a very acute and prarabdha karma which you have to face. But mostly disease we can actually reduce up to a level if, people come to astrologer when the dasha is already running and disease has already started.
Right.
In that way, it is really very difficult to control that disease, and then we can suggest, okay, do Mahamrityunjay, do this, Homa, do. But the planet has already been activated.
Right.
So in advance, if we do some mantras and some practices, for example, it is said if you have got Surya in the 8th house, you should not eat birds. You will die. Right? If you have Ketu in the 8th house, you should not eat fish.
Ketu, right?
Right? So if I can see this combination and the person is eating fish, obviously his health is going to suffer, because 8th house is your Nij dosha. You have done this sin in the last birth, and again you are doing the same sin.
Right.
So if I suggest him don't eat fish, that can be very helpful.
Right.
For the maintenance. And what I will try to do is to basically transform this Ketu energy into any spiritual energy, so that disease can be minimized.
So similarly, will you also see 6th house? What planets are there, and do remedy from the 6th house?
Yes, that is the rogue. That is the manager.
That's a manager.
He's
okay.
the manager.
Right.
He's the manager. So disease can come from any house. So suppose any in any house you have say suppose Libra Rashi, badly afflicted, Venus combust, and the Karka of that house is also badly afflicted. So you will have urinary problems. Sixth
Right.
house is just the communicator of the disease. It is the bank of disease, but disease can come from any house.